7 ways to stop F7 TSD process from hogging your Mac's resources. Check if F7 TSD is using too much CPU and memory. Open Activity Monitor. Click the CPU or Memory tab. Find F7 TSD in the list. If it's near the top, check its CPU or memory usage. It should use only a small fraction of a percent of CPU cycles. If it's using more, there might be a problem. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Force quit F7 TSD. Open Activity Monitor on your Mac. Find and select F7 TSD in the list of processes. Click the X button in the toolbar to quit it. F7 TSD will automatically restart itself. Update Mac. Click the Apple logo and select System Settings. Go to General and click Software Update. Wait for your MacBook while it searches for updates. If an upgrade is available, click Update Now and restart Mac. Run Disk First Aid. Open the Disk Utility app. In the sidebar, choose the disk you want to repair. Click the First Aid button in the toolbar and confirm the action. Let the process complete. Reindexing Spotlight. Go to Mac System Settings and select Siri and Spotlight. Scroll to the bottom and click on Spotlight Privacy. Drag the disk or folder into the window that you're trying to access that's causing the problem. Click Done and exit System Settings. After closing the settings, wait for a minute. Open System Settings again, return to Spotlight Privacy. Select the item and click the minus button to remove it. Click Done and exit System Settings. Spotlight will now start reindexing the disk. Clear out your Mac. Clear out the junk files on your Mac with Combo Cleaner. In Combo Cleaner, select the Disk Cleaner tab. Start scanning your Mac. After the scan is complete, review the list and remove unnecessary stuff. Then, go to the Big Files, Duplicates, and Uninstaller tabs and do the same to remove junk files. Check for malware on your Mac. To check for malware, you need a special tool. We recommend using Combo Cleaner's Malware Scanner. Open Combo Cleaner. Click on the Antivirus tab in the Combo Cleaner app. Choose the type of scan you want to run: Quick Scan, Full Scan, or Custom Scan. The scanning process may take some time, especially if you choose a full scan. Be patient and let Combo Cleaner do its job. After the scan, Combo Cleaner will show a list of any malware or suspicious files it found. Select the malware or suspicious files you want to remove. Click on the Remove button to get rid of them. After removing the malware, restart your Mac to ensure all changes take effect. Restart Time Machine. Open the Apple menu and click System Settings. Go to General and then select Time Machine. Click on Options and set the backup frequency to manually. Close the System Settings window. Open System Settings again. Return to the Time Machine settings and change the backup frequency to one of the automatic options. To keep your Mac clutter and virus-free, download the Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The Disk Cleaner will scan Mac for application cache, logs, browser data, and other useless files that can be safely removed to regain valuable disk space. It will also show you how much space what files take up in storage. With Combo Cleaner you can look through all big files with ease and delete the ones you don't need. You can also scan for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. With Privacy Scanner, eliminate data stored when browsing the internet, including cookies, history, cache, and other files that can reveal your private information. The uninstaller feature allows you to find hidden components of applications and uninstall them from your Mac completely with just a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.